Hi there and welcome back. I've just got a quick kind of unboxing. Globleland got in touch with me and asked if I would like some of their stamps and stencils. I will leave all the information in the description box, and I will also put the codes in for the Pacific stamps that I've had. They also sell cutting dies, tools and craft essentials, and I think they've got wooden stamps as well. So this is just a quick have a look, and when I get back from my holidays I'll do some stamping fun. So I've got a few other stamps from another haul that I still need to try out, so I've just been a little bit pushed for time. So I'll put this information in the description. So first, I don't have any stamps what are, you know, frames, and I thought these was beautiful. I absolutely love this one, and I thought it would make a great addition. So we've got 4 different frames. I like this one as well. I love these swirls. I think they're so pretty. And then we've got some corner pieces and a little leaf in it. Is that a 30? Yeah, it's that. You'll know what it is. So that's that one. Yeah, I like the size of it as well. Thinking botanicals at the back of it and stuff, and it's even got some swirls inside, look, and then some dots. I think that will look very nice. That one has 2. Yeah, them 2 are definitely my favourites. I would like to start and put corners on you know, journal cards and things, because it is a pretty look, isn't it? It's just when you're in the moment you tend to forget all these things. So these are some like blossoms. I thought they'd be really pretty. What I want to have a go at is stamping and doing some painting over the top. So that's that one. Lots of little formations. I think they're very pretty. I love this one. So that's that one. Yeah, it's a Globleland one. And then this was a bit of a mixed bag, but I quite liked it. We've got this lovely postage stamp here. And I thought these was really interesting little bits. So I thought I could make a corner pocket, maybe out of book page, and then stamp this over the top, and it's got a little bit of writing there, and then you've got this little bit here. Another little tiny label. Quite like the ink pen and stuff. I know I once did, I can't remember what it was, but it was to do with writing, and I thought, oh, I don't have anything, and they would have been ideal. And we've got this nice blob, nice ticket and a book. So, but mainly I had them for those 3. I thought they was very nice, and I love the size of this stamp. So that's that one. And then obviously I've been doing Alice, so I thought I've got it upside down, have I? Yeah, but yeah, the packet, that's actually upside down. So again, this is their own brand. So yeah, I obviously wanted the pocket watch, and I absolutely love this cuckoo clock. I thought that was so cute. And this one, I thought if I'm doing a garden theme, that would be very nice on a garden theme. And then when I do Tim Holtz, I've got lots of different ones to play with. And I'm thinking these are probably an inch, so I'm hoping that they fit in my punch, because I've got a 1 inch and a 1.5, so hopefully I'll be able to just punch them out. So if I can, I think I'll do a full page of them and then just stamp, cut them out, punch them out. So that's those. I thought that was a lovely mix, nice different clock faces. So I really like those. That's that one. And then got some trees. I don't think I've got any trees, which is surprising. So let me just get rid of this crinkly paper. So we've all different trees. Love those, and they'll be nice stamped in the black. I like the kind of silhouette look. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using those. And I got those because I fell in love with this one. I'm hoping that it fits on my big block. I do think it will, but I'll probably be best doing this on the stamping platform. So look at that scenery. We've got the water, and I thought this would be a lovely one to paint. Got the mountains in the back, and then these trees and grasses. Yeah, and rocks in the water. So yeah, and then I was thinking, well, you know, I could perhaps build on the picture kind of thing and put more trees in. That was kind of the idea behind it. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to giving that a go. And then there was some smaller sceneries. So, oh, this one's lovely. Got some mountains again. We've got some water and trees, and then we've got some separate elements, sun and some more clouds and little birds, and then this rocky mountains. So again, you know, I can add more trees in. So I think they'll be really fun to play with. So we'll definitely get those out after my holidays. That's amazing. I've not got a stamp like that at all. Yeah, I love it. And lastly, I just got one stencil, and I thought I'll put this in with my texture, you know, the stencils that I'm going to use for texture paste. And I thought this would be a good one for backgrounds. Lots of different numbers and symbols, so I thought that would come out really very nice. And I like the size, and I like that it's got a hole in the top. Mind you, I don't know why I don't just punch holes in, you know, the tops that haven't got any. I could just punch a hole in them so I could hang them up. Why have I never thought about that? And then we've got some plain numbers there. I'm just thinking now, I'm going to go through my stencil, because I've got this big one and it keeps getting bent over. So I could just put a hole in it, like so, and then I can hang them up. Why I never thought about that, I do not know. I think the rest of them I've got, because they drive me mad being in that packaging. So these are all my ones what I use for, well, I've not used a lot of them yet, for stenciling with the texture paste. Will I be able to just get that through? I suppose I could go in on the corner and have that one like that. I think the rest I've got, these are those, or they craft treat. So yeah, fabulous. So I'm gonna get those hung up, get a ring out, and hang them. So that's got rid of something out me tub. That one's for Alice. So thank you very much for having a little look with me, and like I say, we'll come back and get my paints out. I know I keep threatening to get them out, but it's happening, and I shall see you very soon. Bye for now.